morning, dear crafters, and from Sweden here. So I think I'm done with the Christmas kit, and I am going to have them in two package, and I'm going to have them in pink and pink and red together. So there we go. Here we have a Christmas tree and some Christmas tree here as well with a package. Snow, really nice. And here is a plain page. Can have some notes over there. And here we have a snowy village, or what you want to call it. Christmas flowers and branches. And here we have, I think you have seen this before. These are for free. You can have a lot of, you can take notes. And a background. And you have a Christmas ball and some notes, lines from notes over there. And here we have a what you said, plaid with snow and stars. And here we have dotted, and it's a snow and stars as well. So that's what the pink, and I think the pink goes good to the red, if you like. Christmas, and some view over here with the music paper. And here we have a really Christmas thing. And some stripes with snow and stars. Same over here, only snow. Yep. Gingerbread house, just for fun. And here we have the medallion, I call it. They're really beautiful, you see. And the background. And a really Christmas background. Yep. So, there was that. Next video comes soon.